What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here, we're helping you feel successful in your kitchen. So if that sounds good to you, we would love to have you subscribe to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a very quick recipe on how to make a 1-minute aioli. And this isn't a traditional aioli. We're not going to emulsify oil. We are going to make a cheater's aioli or a lazy aioli. We're going to use classic American mayonnaise, and we're going to season it up like a traditional aioli. So stick around. I'm going to share with you how to make a lazy aioli today.
All right, to get things started, we're going to add about half a cup of mayonnaise down into a bowl. I love Hellmann's mayonnaise, but I have found that the Aldi brand is actually a really great dupe and less expensive than Hellmann's. So that's what I'm using here. Would love to know what kind of mayonnaise you like to use. Then I'm going to take out 3 raw garlic cloves. You want to pick some plump garlic cloves. I like it kind of garlicky. And then I just take the flat side of my knife and give my knife a little tap, and that breaks that outer paper shell on the garlic, and then they just slip right out of that shell. Then I put a little kosher salt on top of the garlic cloves and give them a nice chop. You want them in a pretty fine mince so that nobody's getting a really big piece of garlic. Now take a zester and zest about half of the lemon down into the mayonnaise. Then finally, you can use that same lemon and add about a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice into the mixture. Now I like to take a whisk and whisk this all together so that all the ingredients get incorporated and there's no lumps left in your aioli.
All right, that's it. The lazy aioli is done. It is so simple with simple ingredients. Now what we want to do is taste it. See if it has enough lemon. See if we want it more garlicky. See if it needs a little more kosher salt. Oh, that hits perfectly. It is so bright, so tangy. The garlic is so punchy, and the salt content is just right, and it's incredibly creamy. This is perfect. Put this on fries, put this on a burger, put this on a sandwich. Knockout delicious. So this is going to be your classic aioli flavors. If you want it a little tangier, add a little more lemon. You can always add more garlic. And if you're like, I need to really punch up the flavor, add a little pinch of kosher salt. Now, this is the base. What you could do to this is endless. So if you're serving a Southwest style burger, you could add a little lime juice instead of the lemon, chop up some chipotle and adobo sauce, stir that in there. You want to put this over shrimp tacos, add a little tahini, add a little lime juice, amazing. You want something a little more herby, chop up some fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, fresh oregano, stir that in, would be delicious. So really, you can flavor this up however you want. Whatever's in your spice cabinet and looks good with what you're serving this with, add it in there and try. So I hope that this lazy aioli helps you feel like a success in your kitchen, and join me next week for another recipe. And every Tuesday, a new dinner recipe video. See you next week.